really tell if you can see me. I don't care. You wanna see something pretty pimpin'? That, Ratchet and Clank, right? And shit. Dude, look at it, look at this. Poster with this shit, man. Shit. Look, hold on. I don't know if you can catch the whole thing. Hold on. Poster? Is that the cover? Nah, it's not the cover. Look at that. Poster? And shit, it's got like the game guide and shit. All my other games have a game guide, and but it's not like a full. I can pin this to my wall if I want. I'm not gonna pin it to my wall, because I like to keep the shit in the packaging and shit. But fuck, man, god damn it.